members of the press, please.
Birigiceni iretanyitwo kuoya kahinda ka mieri itatu kwambiriria muthenya wa umuthi. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiinii Matiang'i akiuga thirikari ndikuhuruka nginya ari othe meguko bururi-ini mugaru na watho macoke mabururi-ini mao. Oigite andu amwe makoretwo makihithania ihiko-ini cia maigirira o magitwarithagia nambere wendia wa ndawa cia kulevya. Akiuga ni marikitie kuiguithaniria na munene wa ruhonge rwa uthami Gordon Kihalagwa na uguo no nginya birigiceni iyo igacire.
Drug dealers have come to Nairobi and they have confused our girls and they are now living with them, and when police go to arrest them they say no, I am married to a Kenyan. Marriage cannot be by word of mouth or by correspondence or by pretense. Marriage has to be proved by law. There is a law that proves a marriage, and that law says you have to produce a marriage certificate. This nonsense has to come to an end.
Arenda aciari kugitira ciana ciao kumana na ihiko itagiriire, akiuga namba ya ndawa cia kulevya mucii wa Nairobi ni ongererekete na njira nene na makoretwo makihithania ihiko-ini icio.
They are not married to anybody. They are just cohabiting with our children. And you know, if I had time, I would tell you more of this. Our girls are being used as mules. When you meet any of these people telling you, I am married to a Kenyan, arrest them immediately. Then we deal with them properly. They are messing us up and they're messing our people up.
Abithaa 28 kuma vicini ya uthami makihurwo karamu thutha kunyitikana na ciiko cia ungumania kuria ni hamwe na uheani wa passport cia Google. Matiang'i akiuga birigiceni iyo kwambiriria guku mucii wa Nairobi imamo-ini iria igite ciuikaine wega andu ngirinya ario marongoreirio.
We've actually fired 28 staffers at the immigration department because of the obvious business. Let's not lie to each other. It's business of bribes, being bribed to issue passports to people who actually do not deserve to have them.
Mweri wa gatandatu thirikari ni aikirie ngono andu 41 kuma matura-ini matiganite guku Nairobi mari guku mugaru na watho aingi ao makigwatio mutego-ini wa macini cia uthi wa tumari iria ikoretwo ikirehwo bururi-ini na njira ya Google.